Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Lisa, pro makeup artist, and today I'm chatting all things skin. So I'm going to do an updated skincare routine for you. I'm going to show you what I've been doing recently, what I've been changing up, and what's going to be new injected into that mix. So if you are a fellow beauty lover, obsessive, hashtag can't get enough of it, please join me. Hit that subscribe button, comment below, let's be friends. So yeah, I'm going to chat to you about my skincare routine and how I get it glowing and popping like this. So for reference, I am 36 and I'm really so I'm 36. My skin is fairly normal. It can be a little bit oily kind of in this kind of triangle area here, and the things I really look to achieve are a smooth, hydrated, glowing base and just keeping my skin barrier as healthy as possible. I get the occasional breakout like normal people, and this is my skin with no makeup on. Every pore, every freckle, every fine line, every pigment, every spot, there's some grey brow hairs that probably are you know, a bit of pigmentation, that's real and that's normal. And what I really champion in what I do as well is helping you feel great in your own skin, and skincare can really help with that. It's a nice little ritual you can do, but what I love to do as well is use products that are gonna give me the results that I want. Yes, you're like, yes Lisa, yes. Type yes if you think so and believe so. Anyway, shall we get to it, shall we? That glow and pop and base. Let's go. Let's dive straight into my current skincare routine. So a few months back I looked at old pictures of me, or they were coming up on like memories or something on Instagram or wherever the hell you view those kinds of things, and I was noticing my skin was looking absolutely popping. I was like, what the heck was I doing then, folks? What the heck was I doing? So I look back and it was ceramides that I was really using consistently into my skincare, and I've reintroduced it, and it's been a few months now. January, probably started late January, Feb time. This is me, just a clean base. And I'll come up nice and close so you can see my skin. Like, you know, I've got a few kind of marks and whatnot, but on the whole, God, I can't wait to put lip balm on. But on the whole, it's looking really good. Obviously, I'm human. I get the occasional breakout, like your next person does. Anyway, so I wanted to chat you through kind of a bunch of products that I've been using consistently, and ones that I'm going to try out that are new as well, so you can see what, why, how I use them, and so on and so on. So Byoma is a new brand and it's amazing. It all looks really cool and fun. This is pretty much empty, and what I love, it tells you, right, let's hope that yeah, it tells you everything really clearly on the box on what it does, on the actual packet. It's got that, tells you where it goes in its routine. It's even got a QR code so you can get more information, and then the inky list as well, and where it can be recycled or whatnot. Brilliant, brilliant. And I think more and more brands that come out are doing this kind of thing. On the whole, I love the range. It's so affordable. Most of it's under 12 quid, and it's packed full of ceramides. So if you have skin that is easily irritated, if you have skin that is feeling paper thin and just quite dull, I'm just going to explain what ceramides are quickly. So ceramides, if you imagine your skin is like a brick wall and you've got the bricks and the mortar, think of the mortar as the ceramides. So over time, this can get damaged and compromised. So what we want to do is keep that barrier very strong. So using ceramides is kind of restoring what is there and helping the skin in itself. So this whole range is really aimed at that. You're not going to get like super active ingredients. You've got amazing other things like niacinamide in there, hyaluronic acid. So it's just really about boosting your skin barrier. There's some products I personally like more than others for little things. The main drawback with this brand is the hardware. Like, I think it's this one. This is, oh, okay, it's working now. But a lot of the time, it's like really working. The pump works and then it stops working, then you sort of need to open it up, and that's really annoying. So I think once I tweak the hardware a little bit, it'll just be, but already a chef's kiss, but that's the only one drawback. So, you know, not the biggest problem in the world, but hardware kind of makes it. So I'm going to start off my routine with the facial mist. Again, this is lovely. It's got probiotics in it, a triceramide complex. There we go, get your words out, Lisa. Come on. So you shake it and you mist it onto skin. So I like to use this at the beginning and at the end of my routine just to rejuvenate as well. Great before makeup. But again, I find the sprayer on this is very forceful. So really take it an arm's length away, and it's like, you can see that gorgeous kind of mist. I'll try and do, oh, so good. It really hits you. So then in summer, if you're going, or if you're somewhere really hot, that is going to be gorgeous, but still really nice because it just feels really invigorating. So I always like to start off with that. And then I have been using this, but I'm all out now. Just a bubble is left. Oh, come on, zoom in on the bubble. It looks so cute. Beep. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous serum. Been really enjoying it. Really lightweight. So I just wanted to show you some kind of budget options that I have been using. I'm a luxury girl at heart. What can I say? But I don't sniff my nose at affordable beauty tube, because, you know, not everyone can afford the luxury, and luxury doesn't mean that it's good as well. Like, whatever your price point, there are options. So let me know if you want more videos on kind of specific things about like kind of budgets and stuff like that, because I'm always happy to create content that, you know, I want to create content that adds value to you and your routine. I want to be essentially your beauty fairy godmother and help you along. So I'm going to start off with the Silymarin CF High Potency Absorbic Acid. So this is essentially a vitamin C for a slightly oilier combination skin. So I get, I'm quite open pored here, which means I can get a little oilier in that area. So I like to pop this on, and they do 3 different kinds, I believe, to help brighten the skin. I can hear Chris come up the stairs. Thanks for my coffee.
It's alright, we're doing a video. Yeah.
Yeah. Just some skincare?
No.
Come on, stay here.
I'll tell you my beauty wardrobe products though at some point if you ever need.
Yeah.
No, we'll have to sit down and do a proper live.
Okay. Thank you for my coffee. Oh, nice latte art. I can't show you, but it looks good. Coffee is the one. Anyway, so this is a new product now into my routine, which is the SkinCeuticals Phyto Brightening Treatment, a daily corrector moisturiser to enhance skin tone, clarity, radiance and texture. So it's got azelaic acid and arbutin in there, so this is going to help do those things. And you layer this after your antioxidant, and again, you know, SkinCeuticals are quite good at kind of telling you where and how to kind of use the product, which I think as a consumer you really want that, because things, when there's more than one step, it can get a little bit and it's a really nice like green gel texture. So just layering that, because I keep getting spots and guilty as charged. I'm a picker. I think when I feel a little anxious or nervous, and had a crazy week last week, very good things happening but equally nerving, because it was a first on some occasions. I was like, oh, and I was nervous, so I was picking away. And of course, when you're being shot on camera, your body also is slightly stressed, so you grow huge spots. And this bad boy here, the week beforehand, was swollen, and I looked like Lady Gaga from a few years back. You know what I mean, the prosthetics. Anyway, so that's a new product that I've literally started this week, and I'm going to do before and after pictures to see how that helps kind of pigmentation and just evenness of skin tone. And now, this is probably, so I've got 2 favourite ceramide products. This is one of them, the SkinCeuticals It's Gorgeous Look. You can see how much I love it. A little goes a song way. It's, sorry, it's singing a song for me. A little goes a long way. I love this because the formula is just so refined and luxury, and it really does the job well. It gives you that smooth kind of, your skin, do you know what, after using this for a little bit, it's like a surface of an avocado when it's cut. But but you don't go green. Bonus. It's really beautiful. So can you see it as I'm popping that on? It's got a really nice kind of, you know, it's not specifically fragrance, I'd say. It's just a very mild kind of cream smell. Putting the excess on the back of my hands. I've got a few products that I do like to switch around. So obviously the Byoma one is really nice, but what I do find with the Byoma one, I don't know whether it's the hydration kind of underneath the other layers, but it doesn't leave you a white cast. It initially gives you a white cast, so you need to spend like an extra minute massaging it in, which, you know, we're in a rush in the morning. We ain't got time to do that. Or we're in poor lighting and we just want it on. We don't want to think about that. And the other one I really like is it this one? Yeah, it's the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisturizer. Really, really lovely, gorgeous texture. So that's another great ceramide based product. But basically what you want to look on the tin is that it's a barrier building or boosting, or it's got ceramides in it. And this, look, like, even though I've put like what, 1, 2, 3, 4 products, it doesn't look like I'm slathered in product. And it's like, it's nice and sort of tacky, ready for makeup. What I do need to get better at, and feel free to nag me in the comments about this, is an eye cream. I just keep forgetting. And I'm also trying to use, where is it? The Bear by Phyto. And again, I keep forgetting. I had a good facial Buccal massage yesterday, which was really interesting. So my friend Karla, if you're based in Bristol, she does them in the local area, but it's where they massage, they put gloves on and they massage like the inside of your mouth. I'm like aching here a bit. So it sort of relieves all the tension. But look at that. Look at my cheekbone and jawline at the moment. I am like an uncut gem. I just look amazing. I'm obsessed. It's just taken any of that excess fluid out that a regular lymphatic massage can't do. It just takes it to that absolute next level. Where are we going now? SPF. So this is an SPF I love. So if you find you are having some sensitivity within your skin, Evi is an amazing brand to go for, because all of their SPFs were designed with skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, all that kind of stuff in mind. And it's a foam formula, so it's really fun to put on. It disappears in an instant. But what's also really good is the clinical trials behind this product, the longevity of it, the wear. It's amazing. If I remember, I'll try link in a video of this being worn throughout the day under a UV light. It is phenomenal.
Testing out the longevity of EV Sunscreen Mousse.
To burning, or to be honest, like, I'm not necessarily prone to burning. I just want to protect my assets, because let's face it, all those other steps, listen hard now, all those other steps are pointless if you're not protecting. Protect yourself. Practice safe skincare, friends, okay? So look, you use like that amount, a golf ball size amount, then you can pretend, you know, you're gonna have a shave. I like to do this a little bit, but it disappears. And this will be great as well. Like, I've got really thin hair, so if I'm in the sun I have to think about my hairline as well. And you could just, I think what's good about this, because you can see it slightly, it gives you a really accurate representation of where you've applied it. Is, and I always do the back of my hands. Look at that. So that is now ready for makeup. That's what I've been doing, guys. It's funny, over on Instagram, I've had a few people message me being like, have you had work done? What have you done? What is going on? How are you like reversing the clock? And honestly, I haven't had any work done. I've had Botox 2 or 3 times in the past, but that was like 2019 was the last time, so there's nothing. Although I am really looking into it again, because I'm noticing things and I'm like, I want to lift things a little bit, which you can do with Botox. So yeah, just waiting for that coin to come in and then I'll do it. So I'm just gonna finish off with a bit of lip balm. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Oil Crystal Elixir. So I'm just gonna roll them. I love this one. It stays on really well. For me, like I always have like 500 lip balms around me. It's like my product, you know. But obviously as a makeup artist, not the greatest for your kit because you can't put that on anyone. That's the only downside, but you know, I don't think there's many makeup artists watching this, you know. Another one I do love, and I just couldn't find for this video was it? Oh yeah, it's the Paula's Choice Lip Booster. It is so good. It is so good. So yeah, there you are. Your glow queen has spoken, my friends. Let me know what you use in your routine and what questions you have. And I just want to caveat as well, you know, I'm not a skincare expert. However, I know a lot about skincare. I've been a makeup artist, you know, 2 celebrities, in fashion, in the commercial world for like 16 years. I got a lot of stuff in here. I've seen a lot of things, I've learned a lot of things over the year, and I put my research into what I do, and I highly suggest you do that. Like, don't just buy a product because someone says it's nice. Like, really think about whether it's relevant for you or not, because it's so wasteful otherwise. And you're not gonna get the benefits of that if it doesn't work for you. Do you know what I mean? So I can always I can share what I can share and tell you what I know. However, I will always steer you in the direction of a true skin expert if it is beyond my realm of knowledge, and I'll always be honest with you about that. Yeah, anyway, come join me over on TikTok and where else? My Instagram. I was about to say Instaham, you know, ham on the mind. But thank you for joining me. It's always an absolute pleasure. Let me know what you think in the comments below because I always love reading them and replying to you. Have a great day.